So just as we got to the Clinton School for my first year, Hurricane Harvey hit the coastline of Texas. 82 people died, millions of dollars in damage, and thousands of people were displaced. As a student of public service, I felt really called to go and directly serve these individuals.
We went down there with Amy, Katie, Kirby, and Brian and myself. We're so often caught up in our schoolwork and our busy lives that we don't get to slow down and do things for others.
We wanted to take spring break to go do this project because we had some time off, and we felt it was a really good use of our time. We traveled down to Houston and worked with SBP for 5 days. And we were working on the tail end of a home doing the trim work, the mudding and painting and texturing and tiling. So we were getting the house ready to be turned back over to the homeowner.
Certainly there is an emotional component to this type of direct service work. And my practicum project last year was speaking with formerly incarcerated individuals and their family members. And I think the ability to connect and empathize with other people is incredibly important in direct service work.
We found out around Monday or Tuesday of when we got there that we would be turning the home back over to the homeowner on Saturday. It really helped us see the full picture because we were able to meet this person, we were able to meet other people in the neighborhood, and really get a sense of how much this home meant to that person.
I want to do more community organizing work in the future, but it's very important to keep the people that you are looking to serve in the center. And I think direct service work allows you to make concrete the issues that you're trying to address.
As a student of public service, I believe that my work is incomplete if I don't have this direct service component. For me, it's not enough to be behind a desk somewhere. I think that I need to be connected to the people on the ground and see the work that's being done. So it was really important for me, and I think it was important for others.